Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Navid and this is Hyperpix. I'm back with the Avengers Age of Ultron text effect. Um, I'm really excited actually about this. Our designers did a great job to design this as close and as identical as possible. Without any knowledge in Photoshop, you can use this in your project. Less than 2 minutes. Very beautiful and very uh, useful. If you want to download this, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account uh, in the website and get this and like hundreds of categorized text effects. Let me show you how this works. Right click on the yellow layer, go to edit content, and in the new window just type your text. I'm gonna write Avengers here. Okay, as you can see, I changed my text. You can write your own text. As you can see, this circle here has been designed for the letter A. If you wanted to use another text, for example, hyperpix here, as you can see here, I want the circle to be just like the movie logo, but this doesn't work with this. What we're going to do is we're gonna modify it a little bit. It's very easy. Select mask, and from here polygonal lasso tool, and select where we want it to be disconnected from the text. Put the color on black, just like this. Just select it parallel to your text and choose Alt plus backspace so that it will get erased. But if you want to add it, just change the color and select it just like this. I'm gonna choose Alt plus back. Okay, as you can see, our circle just works just like that. We want to go even further, closer. If you want to have this a little bit closer, you can use black, or you can use Control plus back. Black color erase this layer, and the white layer adds to the design. You can see, very easy and no-brainer. I'm gonna move a circle a little bit. Okay, very good. I'm gonna close it and select yes. There it is, beautifully done, and my text has been applied by this text effect. Okay, let me show you how these layers works. But first of all, go to effects, choose style, and deactivate the extrusion so you can have more speed in editing. We'll get back to it. Okay, from the top we got adjustment folder, which contains the effects of color. We got a texture, it's locked. There is a little bit noise on the top of our design, as if you can see it. You can turn it off or turn it on. You can disable it or enable it. It's up to you. We got a label with this red place, which was supposed to be a Marvel Studio logo. You can type your own text. And we got a label in the back of the text. You can use Control plus T or Command T and resize it to the size of your text. And we got a text folder, contains these texts down here. Double click and type your own text. There it is. And also this text right here. Okay. You can position it wherever you want or disable it. Okay, we're gonna skip the FX folder because it contains the structures of our design. I recommend you to skip this one. We got background folder, which we got a lot of elements in the background. We got brightness and colors, here saturation, color balance. We got smoke. We got particles here, which we got also these, and finally we got sky. If you want to have this transparent, disable background layer and also texture. As you can see, our logo is totally transparent. There it is, and that's our 3D. Very easy. Okay, we're done. And now we get to the exciting part. We're gonna use Nike logo and apply Avengers style to it. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing from the edit content window. We're gonna import our logo just like this. I'm gonna put it on the top of the mask. We're gonna remove the rest of the layers. We got Nike logo. I want to position it in the middle just like this. Okay, I'm gonna close it and select yes, and let's wait for the result. There it is. Very nice. As you can see here, Nike logo has been applied to this style. You can use your own logo. Let me turn off the extrusion so that we have a better speed. Okay, I'm gonna bring it a little bit lower. Okay, I'm gonna bring this to right. Yep, I'm gonna write my own text. Just do it. Okay, we're done. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful style. As you can see, we applied this to our logo. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and get this and hundreds of other text effects in different categories. Okay, if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe it and ring that bell so you don't miss the new videos. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm Navid. This is Hyperpix.